the saints that follows Papa Elijah. This testimony, which is, I could talk for hours about all the things that I have learned and grown from being part of this ministry. We were talking about how to pray, well, not how to pray, but the tools for proper prayer and how to set yourself up for alignment to be focused when you pray. So when you're in the secret place and seeking God so you can see and hear what he has for you, some of us get distracted and defeated by the noise, and you know that's nothing but the enemy. And because he's a vessel for the Lord, before he ended the call, he could feel that there were people in the chat on the live that needed deliverance from being distracted from the enemy, and I was one of them. I was hesitant because, you know, it's not always being the eyeball out, but it's not about anybody else, it's about you. Because one of the many things that you learn in our community is that Papa Elijah is like your coach. He is giving you the tools to strengthen your knowledge in the word, so you have the endurance to fight the warfare that comes for us. It's not easy to walk this walk. It's not easy to walk this life. It's not for the weak. And following him and following his ministry and growing with him is how you prepare, because we don't have that much longer. But getting back to my point, I'm not perfect by any means, but there's a lot of things that I don't do anymore that were worldly that I have removed completely from my life. So when you don't have things that the enemy, the devil, can come into, addiction, music, a significant other that you're interested in that gets you distracted, working too many hours at your job, food, whatever may have you, when you remove a majority of those obstacles and all you really have left is your core values, your family, your job, your prayer, and like you don't have secular music, you don't have any of it. I've eliminated a lot of those distractions in my life. So the main thing the devil tries to attack me with is my mind. He's always telling me, you don't deserve to be here. You're not good enough. Remember when you did this? Remember you did that? And even when I'm praying, there's noise, chatter, murmuring in my ear to where I get distracted and my mind goes somewhere else because I'm thanking God for this, but I hear in my mind, how could you thank him for this when you're still struggling with that? Papa Elijah picked up on that, as well as many other people that we're struggling with, because it's hard to admit that because you have people that are further in their faith than you, but we're all at our own pace. You shouldn't compare. But the fact is that he's here to help you strengthen in the word. So again, so you can have the endurance to fight that warfare. We all go through it. It's just part of the walk. And I'm proud to be a member of the weird group that we call ourselves followers of Jesus Christ. But he prayed over us, convicted and pulled out those spirits. Let me tell you, when I hear silence now when I pray, I have so much peace when I pray. When I close my eyes, all I hear is my voice. I am so grateful because I have felt like I didn't deserve to be in the group for a while because I was struggling to pray. And now I can. So my only issue, my only delay is myself. So I have to press to make sure I make time. That's why I'm up right now. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to start my devotion. But hey, you have to make time for God. But now I can hear what I'm saying to God. And if I can hear what I'm saying to God, then I can hear him when he speaks to me. I'm not an emotional person, but you will find yourself being so full of joy and grace. You can't help but to feel the movement in your life, the Holy Spirit, when God is present. And you can't help but feel anything but gratitude. If you got the spiritual strength and the intestinal fortitude to join us, please come through. You will not regret it because you do not want to be left behind in these last days. Papa Elijah will give you the arsenal that you need to fight the war that's coming our way. Y'all stay blessed.